Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to get Clown Pin in Brawl Stars. Pins are cosmetic items that players can use during the game. While other pins can be acquired by buying them, the Clown Pin from the Bizarre Circus update is absolutely free. And let's get started on the steps on how to get it. To get the Clown Pin in Brawl Stars, visit the Brawl Stars website using the provided link in the description. Secondly, click on Claim Reward when the page loads successfully. Check your in-game inbox for the pin which should have arrived. Alternatively, you can access the Clown Pin by watching the special Brawl Talk video about Mega Pig on the official Brawl Stars YouTube channel. You can skip to the end for a QR code, then click Claim Reward and check your inbox. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.